What happens when one of the guys that practically pioneered funny car racing gets his hands on one of the baddest Hemi-powered cars ever to hit the streets? The 2009 Mr. Norm's Legend Edition Custom Cuda is born. And yes, I did say "the," because this particular car was the pilot car for the Legends Cuda Street Series, which has become some of the most feared street machines ever built.
Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If this is the first video that you're checking out, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now today what I want to do is talk about the Cuda. And this is a very popular topic within the Mopar community. And there's two really nice looking Challengers that I think would work well as a Cuda heritage within the trim level. Now the first one is very modern interpretation of what the Cuda could potentially look like. You take a look at the headlights, you take a look at just the way that the body kit overall looks. It's very modern. And what we could kind of expect is, you know, a Cuda version, very similar to like what you see with the 1320. It's a special add-on package that costs about $4,000 or $5,000. And really what it does is it takes the Challenger, gives it the heritage Cuda look to it, which is a new body kit, a different styling, all the same performance. So I'm not sure if they would make it available in whichever trim level. So I would imagine it would be the 5.7 392 Hellcat Cuda. You know, I'm not sure if they would make it limited production or anything like that. It would be a really cool add-on package to any Challenger. The other thing that I want to talk about is more of a retro vibe, where it actually makes it look like an old school Cuda. It's not necessarily a modern interpretation. It's more of actually converting a Challenger into a Cuda.
With 1,030 actual miles, this Legends Edition Cuda is painted in bright silver and features custom painted black Mr. Norm's Hemi billboards with neon green pinstriping on its quarter panels. Up front, a very modern Cuda grille insert complete with stainless looking crossbar recalls the legendary 71 Cuda from which this car is based. Blacked out Cuda style lower grille bars and a carbon fiber front chin spoiler add a bit of modernism to that classic look. The hood features character lines that are correct to a 71 Cuda and a replica hood scoop with chrome and red 426 Hemi emblems on the mesh grille inserts. The front fenders house actual reproduction 71 Cuda gills, and the rear quarters have been modified and shaped to incorporate the correct horizontal character line that differentiated the Cuda from the Challenger back in 71. Out back, a Cuda rear valance houses an actual reproduction 71 Cuda taillights and features an actual reproduction 71 Cuda emblem. A carbon fiber rear deck lid spoiler complements the modern chin spoiler, and stainless Corsa exhaust tips, inscribed with Mr. Norm's, replicate 71 Cuda stainless tips. Based on the production 6.1-liter Hemi, this block keeps its standard bore for the sake of durability, but increases its stroke to 4 inches. Now measuring 6.9 liters, the motor receives a Forge Cali's performance crank, Forge H-beam connecting rods, Forge flat-top diamond racing pistons, Arrington ported heads, a Ken Bell throttle body, and a 3.6-liter liquid-cooled Ken Bell supercharger that creates 20 pounds of boost. A Predator tune finishes everything off, resulting in over 1,000 horsepower to the car's flywheel and close to 900 horsepower to the car's rear wheels. The install is exceptionally clean and looks tidy enough to be an OEM package.
Let me know which one you like. Let me know which one you think they should end up doing. And I thought I would bring this topic up, and hopefully one day Dodge ends up doing something along the lines of making a heritage version of the Challenger to show a little appreciation, a little love towards the Cuda. I know a lot of people out there would love to see it happen.